Today we're going to be out testing the Vantage Robotics Vesper that's powered by Auterion. We'll be inspecting power lines in our UAS testing ground to assess its viability within the utility space. C2 Group was interested in testing the Vesper for inspection purposes because it meets a lot of the requirements that our customers have in the end. From a utility industry standpoint, there's a shift happening away from drones that are made overseas to more US-made products. The advantage that the Vesper has and Auterion has is the products are made in the US. The Vesper is also a Blue UAS certified product that is used by the US military, and it has a lot of things that the utility industry can take advantage of. High quality sensors, thermal capabilities, great stability, it's lightweight, and it's rapidly deployable. Being able to utilize the data security and the level of quality that's produced by Auterion in multiple UAS manufacturers gives us the ability to have a little bit more flexibility on our team. Our pilots will all be trained on one flight platform, but they'll be able to fly any drone associated with it. So it gives us an advantage in reducing the amount of training time and increasing the productivity in the end. The open source ecosystem is helping drive a better footprint within the marketplace and helping drive a better level of compatibility for US-made products.